Okay, so to access the test bank, once you are in the class that you've created and you want to actually create a quiz, just go to Add Materials, Add Quiz, name it. You can give it a due date, but you don't need to. Make sure you have a category for it. And you might want to go ahead and put in a grading period. All right, create. Then I'm going to go ahead and add questions, but from question bank. Now, presumably you've already joined the group, right? So I'm going to show you the random question option. So then you go over here to click group and then locate the US history folder, test banks folder, and Jarrett test banks. The other test banks are for dual credit and AP. So then once you're in here, you can just select the TEKS that you want your quiz to cover. Presumably you would look at your curriculum document and figure out which TEKS are being covered. Once you have the banks you want, it's going to ask you how many questions from each bank. So there's 8 questions in the bank. I might want it to pull 3 questions. And let's just say we're going to have 10 questions, so 10 points. And then maybe 2 questions. Maybe 1 question. What is that? 5, 6, and 2 and 2. So 2 and 2. That should give me 10 questions. Right. And then once I have that, I want to go into my settings and go ahead and make sure it's available. Or if I want to have it open in a few days and then close a few days after that, I would use this one. If I want to just open in a few days and then leave it open, I would choose this one. If I just want it open now, that's what I want. Time limit, you can make it, give it a time limit. How many times you want to take it? Unlimited or 2. If you pick more than 1, you're going to have to decide you want the grade to be the highest score, the last score, or the average score. Let's go ahead and randomize order so the students aren't seeing the same questions in the same order. I like making it resumable in case something happens with the internet. And then, yeah, they can see their scores. That's fine. There you go. Now the quiz is actually ready to rock and roll for your students. You can just pop out here. You can see your quiz there. You can open it again if you want. If you want to see what it's going to look like, you can click preview and you can begin your test. There you go. You can kind of see how it's going to look to the students. All right.